Well, hello everybody. This is my build series of a 100 ampere 12 volt solar generator. As you can see, I've just had the battery arrive today, and it comes with a charger and a manual. It's very good quality. It came in at 13 volts storage charge, and we will be installing it in this DeWalt box in order to make a solar power charger. Now just bear in mind, this box was very slightly altered. It had a little tongue to keep this compartment on, which I removed. It's a very simple mod. See if I can see the tongues in there. They're removed here and here. So if you're getting a box like this, you will have to remove these two tongues. It's only with a box cutter, sharp knife will do the trick. This is the box, what it looks like. A DeWalt box. It will accommodate the battery, and these are all the parts layout that we'll be installing into the box. We have some 14 gauge silicone wire holders, an assortment of spades and closed rings, some again 14 gauge wire, and to come off the terminals we have 10 gauge wire, along with heavy duty closed rings, terminals, an isolator, an air fan, a fuse box, a circuit breaker, two high ampere switches, and some low ampere switches with diodes in them. By the way, all the switches and the isolators that don't have LEDs will be installing these LEDs separately to them. A cigarette port. Now we are missing a USB port. It's on order, but we'll see it on the next video when it arrives. Some screws, a battery monitor, a negative bus bar, and because this box is going to be focused more on DC power, high ampage DC power for model aircraft battery charging, it won't have a very high wattage inverter. In fact, we're only going to be installing a 300 watt inverter for basic things. I'm still missing the AC plug to go into this side of it, but that's on order. It will be arriving shortly. And yeah, on our next video we're going to see everything installed in this box here. I'll give you a layout of where everything is going to go. Oh yeah, we have an assortment of Dean's connectors as well for the solar charge. Some male and female ones, cable ties, and cable holders. Yeah, bear with me and I'll take you to the solar charger. This is the solar charger control unit we're going to be using. It is a 30 amp. It's a 30 amp control unit. There's solar panels in, and here it's charging a lead acid battery. This is a box I've had before. It's been decommissioned. It's a 30 amp lead acid battery, but it's very, very insufficient for the amount of charging and the ampage of charging that's required to fly these kind of model airplanes here. They're all on 6S, 6,000 and sometimes even 10,000 milliamp battery packs in parallel. So yeah, okay. The next video we'll see. Well, I mean, no. The next segment of this video, we're going to get into the build, and I'm hoping to cover the whole video in one video, so to speak. I'm hoping to cover the whole build from start to finish in one video.